Welcome to our video on how to make money online fast. For the newbie who is just beginning to get their feet wet in the online world, this video is a must-watch. Making money online fast is possible, but it's important to have the right attitude, mindset, and approach. In this video, we'll take you through some essential tips that will help you get started on this journey. One of the key things that you need to do when making money online is to choose the right niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? What are people looking for in that particular niche? These are some questions that you need to ask yourself when choosing your niche. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to focus on, start creating high-quality content that addresses the needs of your target audience. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build your website. Your website is your storefront, and it needs to be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. You need to create high-quality content that's relevant to your niche, and optimize your site for the keywords that you want to rank for. Additionally, make sure your website is mobile-friendly, secure and loads fast to provide a great user experience. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to make money online fast. It's an excellent way to build a relationship with your audience and keep them engaged with your content. Collect email addresses from your visitors and offer them your newsletter, a free ebook, or other valuable resources. Ensure your emails are optimized to attract open rates and clicks. You can also consider sending promotional emails or automated sequences to monetize your email list. Getting traffic to your website is critical if you want to make money online fast. There are several ways to get traffic, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, paid advertising, and many others. You can also use web directories or collaborate with other websites in your niche to build backlinks. Once traffic gets to your site, make sure they see the value in your content and proposition. There are several ways you can monetize your website, such as Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, selling products or services, and many more. However, it's important to keep in mind that monetization should not compromise the integrity of your site's content or violate any advertising policies. Be creative and choose viable options for your niche that your visitors will find valuable. Making money online fast can be a journey filled with challenges. However, by following the essential tips provided in this video, you can significantly increase your chances of success. Remember to be patient, consistent, and persistent in your efforts. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Good luck in your journey to making money online.